Realme X3 Pro reportedly spotted onto Realme database, 65 watts fast charging tipped. Realme X3 Pro has reportedly got to Realme certification, and the document available shows the speculated phone to come with 65 watts fast charging support. The phone with RMX2170 model number can be seen equipped with a dual battery unit, and the typical value of one of the batteries is 2,250 mAh. The phone with RMX2170 model number has reportedly been spotted at other regulators' platforms. The news is quite confusing because till now the phone with model number RMX2121 has been speculated as the Realme X3 Pro. As per a news report by Nashville Chatter, the phone with model number RMX2170 got to Realme certification on August 3, and is seen sporting dual battery with 65 watts fast charging support. Thus far, Realme has bundled a 65 watts fast charger with Realme X50 Pro and Realme X2 Pro flagship phones. Therefore, this phone is speculated to be the Realme X3 Pro flagship. According to a report by Gizmo China, a phone with RMX2170 model number has already surfaced at Eurasian Economic Commission (EEC) and Wi-Fi Alliance platforms in July. The latter revealed that the particular phone will run on Android 10. Another phone with similar information was also spotted onto Realme Japan's database in June. This development comes as a bit of a surprise because till now, a phone with model number Realme RMX2121 has been anticipated to be the Realme X3 Pro. In fact, a 3C listing of the Realme RMX2121 was seen last month with a 65 watts fast charging support, shows another report by Gizmo China. Further, a phone with the RMX2121 model number has also been spotted on Tenna. The listing shows the phone's battery to be 2,200 mAh, suggesting a dual-cell battery similar to the one on the Realme X2 Pro. As mentioned, the phone with model number RMX2170 also seems to be equipped with a dual-cell battery. This opens another box of speculation. As per Nashville Chatter report, the phone with RMX2121 model number could debut as Realme V5 Pro. In this game of names, or rather models, it is advised that readers take the latest development with a pinch of salt and wait for a few days till more reports about both of these smartphones pop up. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.